price target range answers a very practical question. Has the stock reached the zone I care about? It checks whether the current price is between a minimum price and a maximum price. Think of it like drawing a doorway on the chart. You are not waiting for one perfect penny. You are watching for price to enter a useful area. The lower number is the start of the zone. The higher number is the end of the zone. If price is below the zone, nothing happens yet. If price moves inside the zone, the alert can fire. If price is already above the zone, that may mean the opportunity moved past your planned area. That is helpful because markets are messy. A stock might come close to your level, miss it by a few cents, or move through it quickly. A range gives you a little room to work with. For example, imagine you are interested in a stock only if it pulls back near a support area, instead of staring at the chart all day. You could set a target range like $48 to $52. If price enters that zone, the alert says, now it may be worth checking the chart. The same idea can work on the upside. If price moves into a target review zone, a trader may want to look at the position, take partial profit, tighten risk, or simply decide whether the move still makes sense. But here is the important part: the alert is not the decision. A target range does not tell you whether the stock is good or bad. It only tells you price reached an area you planned ahead of time. Before acting, check the trend, check volume, look at nearby support or resistance, and always know where your risk is. In Signal Alert, add price target range, set the lower and upper prices, and create the alert for the stock you want to watch. The goal is simple: let Signal Alert watch the zone. So you can focus on deciding what the signal actually means. Check out Signal Alert, EO, and build your next market alert in minutes.